So brother, today we are going to discuss about English related, okay?
Yeah, yeah,
Like like how to we create a atmosphere. This is our topic. How do we
yeah,
create atmosphere? What is the reason? Like what should we do? Then we will
yeah,
get a like good information about English language. So please
yeah.
tell me you what's your opinion? How do we create atmosphere?
To speak English, at first we need to create an atmosphere. And we are
Okay.
living in India. That's why we can't find an atmosphere to speak English.
Mm-hmm.
If you talk about me, I have select my friends to speak English and who is eager to learn English.
Okay.
And I am talking to them to every day 1 to 2 hours in a call
Okay.
because there is no atmosphere to speak English in our locality. That's why I am calling my friends to is practicing my English.
Okay. This is interesting. Okay. Oh, I see. So that's it, brother. Like in your side, I mean, you have only for partner, you have a friend, so you are talking with those people. So this is your environment. That's it.
Yeah,
So this kind of you create yourself about English language.
yeah,
Okay. So, brother, if you talk about my opinion, so always I suggest you like how do we create an atmosphere, environment. First thing, brother, see like why we came here only for English purpose, and we know very well like we don't have a partner, we don't have an atmosphere, we don't have an
yeah,
environment. That's why we came here about
yeah,
Sky video calling. Okay.
yeah,
So, brother, in our hand, we can create an atmosphere, environment. How? You have a just if you curious about to learning a English language, learning any kind of language, okay,
yeah,
so first
yeah,
thing we have to accept purpose. What's our purpose? Like I want to
yeah,
learn English, I want to learn any kind of language. So if you
yeah,
have a purpose, okay, then you can learn. Then how to create an atmosphere? Just go to YouTube channel, just
yeah,
read, just try to talk to yourself, talk to
yeah,
front of mirror, record yourself, audio,
yeah,
video. This is
yeah,
we can create our atmosphere ourselves.
yeah,
We do not depend on any person. Like if someone attract with me, if someone call me, if someone say that
yeah,
like brother and sister, can we talk
yeah.
about English language?
You're
No.
right. You're right.
Helping, brother, no anyone helping nowadays. We
Yeah,
have to help ourselves. We
yeah,
have to create atmosphere ourselves, brother.
yeah,
Depend on us how to be create. See, bro, we can learn English language, very easy way, very
yeah,
easy way.
yeah,
Just just join like some we can say podcast. Just listen a podcast. Try to watch a movie. Try to
yeah,
watch a like a TEDx show, YouTube video, and try to observe people what they are trying to tell. Then same thing after video, after audio. Just realize yourself what was story, what was content, how do I express. Just talk to yourself. And if you feel to like uncomfortable and feeling shy, and you are not sure about like if I tell you, if I talk to myself like so I want to cross examination, so how do I do? You can do record yourself, like make a video, record
yeah,
your audio, record or video. So this is great thing, brother. This is, we can say, if we try to create atmosphere, then we will learn ourselves English language, brother. This
yeah,
is simple way. Right now, I understand like in India, especially in India, we don't
yeah,
have a proper English environment because we
yeah,
do not belong to like Catholic family. We do not belong to like Christian, and we do not belong to like any English country. We are Indian
yeah,
people. So
yeah,
obviously, our mother language like Hindi, Bihari, Bhojpuri, and like some other language. But if you talk about English, so this is our not a first language. This is our second language. We are learning. You know.
yeah,
So we have to understand. We have to think about how to we create a atmosphere. How to we find a partner. How to we
yeah,
learn an English language. We know very well answer, but we do not try to. We do not try to practice. We do not try to create an atmosphere. We always just give our excuses like I don't have a partner, I don't have an environment, I belong to rural area, I belong to urban
Yeah,
area, like that. We
yeah,
always just excuses, brother, but we do not think about this is just language. If we give a effort 100%, definitely within a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, it will take a time 6 months, 1 year. Just
yeah,
think about 1 year. But
yeah,
after 1 year, you will become a master. But we
yeah,
have to struggle, we have to learn, we have to talk, we have to practice more and more. We always think about English language, and we have to just stable in front of like what is the reason why I'm learning English language, what's my purpose. For example,
yeah,
you are teacher, okay, so your purpose like I want to teach in front of a student in future time like English language.
yeah,
Then you
yeah,
have
yeah,
to learn this is need for you. English is need, English is necessary to English language, English is necessary to like it teaching department, we can
yeah,
say. So that moment we have to accept our thing, like we have to struggle ourselves like no, I will learn English language, I will learn English language, doesn't matter like my education background Hindi and Marathi and whatever. No,
uh,
I will keep atmosphere, I will talk to myself, I will find a good partner, I will learn English language.
yeah, yeah. You're right.
Yeah, so this thing, brother, we can create an atmosphere
Yeah,
ourselves, not like depend anyone. See, if you try to think about like I belong to rural area, I don't have a partner, I don't have an environment, so how do
yeah.
I learn? Definitely, you will never learn an English language. You will never get a partner. You will never get an atmosphere.
We
We
have to,
have
we have to
it.
practice
Yeah,
myself. We have to
yeah.
practice myself.
Yes, we have to practice ourselves day by day, every
Yeah,
time. We just think about what is the, what is the important, how do we learn, and what is the like, basic English language. If you get a knowledge for the
you're
little bit
right.
like, reading, listening, watching, speaking, definitely, automatically, you will learn yourself. You will become a master. It's not necessary to partner any English speaking classes, any advanced level course like that. It's not necessary, it's not requirement.
Without partner, we can do better.
Yeah, I know that like some people talk about without partner, without environment, we cannot express ourselves, we cannot like learn a proper English language, like become a
Yeah,
public and
yeah,
TEDx show, like we do not give a speech in front of student, in front of people. I understand, but if you accept a English language regular basis every
yeah,
time, whatever
yeah,
you do, whenever you go, whenever you go to outside, whatever you look, if you try to explain like I'm looking that thing and I'm interested about I'm eating a food, just always try to explain English, automatically you will become a master, you will become a public speaker, brother.
And can I ask a question?
Of course, brother, you can ask me, I'm here for you.
My question is, how did you learn English?
Yeah. So same thing, brother. Like I started my journey. It's last year. Same thing. I tried to call stranger people around 500 to 600. I called audio call only for audio
Yeah,
call.
yeah.
WhatsApp. Or sometime I was not understanding. Sometime I was understanding. But
Yeah,
that moment, sir, I wasn't speak single word.
yeah,
Then more and more, then after that I tried to call a video calling, but that moment no anyone responds me good way. Then people
yeah,
talk, you should talk to yourself. Then I shifted, I tried to talk to myself like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, brother, continuously in front of
yeah,
mirror. Whenever
yeah,
I get a time, always I talk to, always I try to choose a one particular topic, like it's
yeah,
a simple topic like sport, career, job, introduction, person, biopic. I just elaborate myself, I just talk to simple topic every day, brother.
yeah.
And second thing, brother, I started to watching a videos on YouTube videos
YouTube video.
like motivational speech, comedy show, and we
Yeah,
can say like family drama,
yeah,
conversation, family
yeah,
video, classroom video, Skype video. Then after that, I try to make a video myself, brother.
And did you join any online course to learn English?
No, brother, I didn't join any English speaking classes. I didn't join. I do
Uh,
not go to English speaking class. I hate English speaking. Okay,
uh,
oh, about online classes, brother. Because while I'm looking over there, we do not get a opportunity. We do not get a good environment. Always
yeah,
try to teach like they give a task. They talk about like this is one topic you should prepare. You should over there
yeah,
no even give a good opportunity. At least talk to 1 to 2 hours over
yeah,
there. They just give a 5 to 10 minute, brother, and just think
yeah,
about 5 to 10 minutes. No anyone speak English language, no anyone perfect to English.
yeah, yeah,
We have to talk more like 1, 2, 3, 4 hours continuously. Then we will
yeah,
able to verify ourselves like what is the reason, what is my mistake, what is my error. You will get either you will get a like answer whenever you
yeah,
try to explain yourself. And right now, brother, see, this is good opportunity to make a video call. We right now we are having conversation. We are
yeah,
understanding each other. We are facing our expression. We are
yeah,
talking about. We are telling our story, our content, our expression, our eye content, everything we are doing each other. So this
yeah,
is good platform to learning English language, brother.
yeah.
Always I prefer to Skype video calling. Always this is good way for me, brother. I don't know like about your side, about another people, I don't know, but this is for me, this is good way to learning English language. I prefer to always, brother.
I have started this from 2 days.
Okay,
I have
from today
installed
started.
I have installed this app before 2 days.
Okay, before 2 days. Okay, that's good, brother. So how many how many conversation like you did, how many people you attended like Skype
I
video
I
call?
I did 3 conversation on Skype.
Okay, so how was your experience? How was your experience?
Yeah, it is good.
It
And
was good. Great.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah, this is interesting, brother. See, if you try to attend a more calls about video calling, your confidence will high.
yeah.
Your confidence high. And without confidence, brother, we cannot, express.
You
We
can
cannot
you
talk
can
about.
do
Confidence is
anything.
very important. Yeah.
Confidence is important. Yeah,
Yeah, brother. So environment is what like our surrounding.
yeah,
What going on, but this is not like important. Seriously, if you talk about our surrounding, we are not getting an English environment. Obviously we are Indian, you know we are Indian. Okay,
yeah,
so we are not getting a proper English environment. But if you
yeah,
talk about ourselves, we
yeah,
understand like how to create an atmosphere. Like if you have a, then try to read loudly one
yeah,
paragraph. Speaker, try to read it loudly, like just learn some vocabulary,
yeah,
some learn a
yeah,
new word, and listen your voice, grammatical error. You will get a from you will get an answer from reading part, brother. Reading
yeah.
part. So this is, we can say, environment.
And I used to practice English in Hello app.
Hello, app.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do
this
you
is
know
also
about
another way to learning English language. I know that.